First, this is a double-ended stove. This is a microwave oven. These are our cabinets. The wash basin is here. And this is my favorite refrigerator. That is my exquisite small table. I'm planning to teach you to cook 2 meals. One is steamed fish, and the other is stir-fried vegetable. Put the vegetable under the water faucet and clean the vegetable. Take the pan. Press this button